Okay. So, good evening once again. What are the hard questions? Is it the what we call the revision exercise? Nah, you asked me
Yeah.
exercise 8, right? Yeah, exercise 8 is hard. Yes, yes. We'll do together. That's fine. So,
Okay.
okay. Let me open the paint font. So here we did question number 1 and question number 2. No, can you remember those
Yes,
two?
miss. Yeah.
Yes. So what about the question number 3? Did we do question number? Yes, we did question number 3.
Yeah, we did.
Okay. Did you try the fourth one? Shall I explain and let's do together? Is it okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay. So here for the fourth question, they are giving the result of doubling a certain number and adding 17 is the same as trebling. Trebling means multiplying by 3, that number and adding 4. What is the number? Kiyala tamai they are asking. So here, since they are asking the number, how we gonna start this one? We'll mark this number as x. That number is x. That means we don't know the exact value of this. It can be any value. But as an expression, we use this x for that one. Now we'll build the expressions. The result of doubling a certain number and adding 17. Can you tell me the expression? This x should be doubled and also we should add 17. So what is the expression we can build for that part? Doubling a certain number and adding 17. What do you think?
Doubling means like
If it's
x times
doubling,
2,
yes. If it's doubling, that means 2x. That means x times 2,
2x.
no? X times 2. For this result, we need to add 17. That means 2x plus 17. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then is the same. This part is same as trebling that number and adding 4. Trebling that number and adding 4. Trebling that number and adding 4. If we multiplied by 3, if x multiplied by 3, what is the expression? X times 3, that is 3x. Trebling that number and adding 4. We have to add 4 as well. එහෙනම්, for the first expression, we have 2x plus 17. And for the second expression, we have 3x plus 4. Now what they ask us to do? Now we have to simplify and solve this equation. These two expressions are equal as they have said. Now we have an expression. So we have to simplify and solve this expression and then find out the value for x. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do it now? The rest of the things and tell me the answer for x.
Is it minus 13?
Minus.
13.
Yes, very good. So the answer is here we have x. No. It's not minus 13 because so now think if I remove this 2x from left side, I have to reduce that 2x no from both sides. So
Yeah,
then
miss.
Here for the right side we have x plus 4 and for the left side we have 17. So now what will happen? This 4, to remove this 4, we have to remove 4 from both sides. Then what will happen? For the right side, x is remaining and for the left side we have 13. Positive. Positive value.
Positive.
Yeah, positive value.
Positive 13.
Yes.
Mm. Okay, miss.
Okay.
Mm.
That is done, right? Now it's clear, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now the fifth one. Fifth one, a kind teacher gives you 20 cents for every question you get right. But you have to pay the teacher 10 cents for every question you get wrong. After 30 questions, you have made a profit of 1.80. Now,
Mm,
then
20
yeah, then
cents.
they are asking, what is the question? After 30 questions, you have made a profit of 1.80 from an equation with x representing the number of questions you got right. Form an equation. We have to form an equation. So they have given that x is number of correct questions or answers. Now, can you build up an number of correct answers or questions? So now, can you tell me an equation for this one? A kind teacher gives you 20 cents for every question. Okay, every question you get right, and for the incorrect ones, we need to pay her again 10 cents. And the total number of questions is 30. Now, if we have x number of correct questions, how many incorrect questions are there? How many incorrect questions are there? Total number of questions is 30. Now, out of that 30, x number of questions are correct. What do you think?
Mm, X plus 20.
No. So here, the total number of question is 30, no? So out of this
Yeah.
30, we have x number of correct questions. එහෙනම් අනිත් ටික මොකද වෙන්න ඕනේ? වැරදි ප්‍රශ්නනේ. Other questions should be incorrect ones. So to find out the incorrect questions, what we have to do, out of this total 30 questions, we should subtract this correct questions, number of correct questions. So if the correct questions are x, if we have x number of correct questions, then we have 30 minus x number of incorrect questions. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, so those are the two things. Now we have to form an equation. So the profit means what? Profit means income minus expenditures. Harida, profit means normally income, earnings minus expenditures. It's like that. Ehenam, this student will, how the income happens, x times for each and every correct questions, he is earning 30 cents, right? go. Yeah, 20 cents. And for the incorrect questions, he has to again give the teacher per question, that is 10 cents. Hurry. So this is the income. This is the, so this is what he is earning. This is what he is again losses. It's like that.
Expense.
Expense, yes. This is the expense. Now what will happen? To find out the profit, we need to subtract these two. From the earnings, we need to subtract the expenditures. That one should equals to 1.80 in dollars. So we can't keep that value as dollars because other two we kept it as cents. No. Ehenang, we should convert this dollars amount also to cents. That means 180. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
So total number of questions is 30. The correct number of questions is X. Ehenang, we can first write an expression to
Miss.
sorry. So here what will happen? Number of correct questions are X. First we have to build an expression for incorrect questions. So the total number is 30. 30 minus X is the incorrect one. His earnings is per correct question he is earning 20 cents. X times 20 is the total income. For the expenditure will be incorrect questions are 30 minus X, 30 minus X times 10. Hurry. So to calculate the profit, we need to get the difference in between these two. Or we need to subtract. From income, we need to subtract the expenditure. Hurry. Then what will
Yes,
happen?
miss.
This one is equals to $1.8. $1.8. But for the other two, we have calculations we did it from cents. දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Calculations we did it from cents. එහෙනම් we can't keep this value also in dollars. We need to convert this dollar amount also into cents. 1.80 means it's in cents. 180. Okay, 180. So we have an equation now. If we write it properly, 20 times x minus 30 minus x times 10 is equals to 180. Now calculate the value for x. X is number of correct questions, correct answers. Okay. First calculate the value for x. What is the value for x? Okay, what is the value for x? Is it hard? So how you gonna simplify this one? So 20x minus, then first we need to remove these brackets. 30 times 10, that is 300, minus x times 10, that is minus 10x, is equals to 180. Then again we need to remove this bracket as well. That is 20x minus 300 plus 10x. That is equals to 180. So then what we can do, we can simplify the like terms further. 20x plus 10x, that is 30x. 30x minus 300 is equals to 180. That means 30x plus, to remove this 300, we need to add 300. Okay, we need to do the same thing to the right hand side as well. Etakota 180 plus 300. That means these two will cut off from the left side. Here 30x is equals to 480. Then we can divide both sides by 30. Then for the left hand side, we have x. X is equals to, we can cut 0 to 0. 48 divided by 3, that is 16.
16.
Yeah. You got that answer?
No, miss.
No? Why?
No.
Is it hard?
Mm.
Anything,
Yeah.
anything which is not clear? Do you want me to explain it
No,
again?
miss. I didn't thought that we can
Ah,
multiply those with that 10
right. This one, right?
because it is in the back now. Miss.
Ekai. So here first part is before multiplying this minus, we need to first remove this bracket. Ne? To remove this bracket, we can multiply it first by 10. And then again, or else what you can do? You can take this 10 in front as well. So it will be easy for you. If you rearrange this expression like this, 20x minus 10 times 30 minus x is equals to 180. So then what you can do, you can easily multiply this bracket from this minus 10 and then simplify it easy. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, miss. Okay,
Oh.
yeah.
Then, okay, now we did the part A and part B both. No? Part A, solve your equation to find out how many questions you got right. So x is equals to 16. That means 16 questions were correct. Is done. Now, can you try with the sixth one? Sixth question. question. Just try. I'll also help. What happened? So for the sixth question, a cup of tea costs
It
10
came
cents.
7 is equals 950.
Okay, let me check. So what they are saying, a cup of tea costs 10 cents less than a cup of tea. A cup of tea costs 10, cup of coffee, while a cup of hot chocolate cost 20 cents more than a cup of coffee. Okay, if we consider a cup of coffee as X, hot chocolate will be X plus 20 and for the tea will be X minus 10. That is clear, no? Then
Yeah.
3 cups of coffee, 5 cups of tea and 2 cups of hot chocolate. So 3 cups of coffee. What are the 3 cups of coffee and 5 cups of tea? 5 cups of tea and 2 cups of hot chocolate cost 8.90. Okay. That means, we can have 5 times x minus 10 plus. Then to calculate the total cost, 5 times x minus 10 plus 3x 3x plus 2 times x plus 20. 2 times x plus 20. That is equals to 8.90. 8.90. Okay. Now what will happen? That is the expression. By 8.90 neve. It should be what? 890 because 8.90 means in dollars. We should keep it from cents. To keep it cents, it would be 890. Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
5 times x minus 10 plus 3x plus 2 times x plus 10, 20, x plus 20 is equals to 890. Now what will happen? 890. So 5 times x minus 10 plus 3x plus 2 times x plus 20 is equals to 890. So now this is the form of the equation which represent x. Now they ask us to find the cost of cup of tea. How you gonna simplify this one?
By multiplying the brackets.
Yes. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? 5x minus 50 plus 3x plus 2x plus 40 is equals to 890. 5x plus 3x, 8x. 8x plus 2x, that is 10x. 10x, here we have minus 50 and 4 plus 40, that is minus 10, is equals to 890. Then we can take this minus 10 to the right side. It will become 10x minus 10 plus 10 is equals to 890 plus 10. That means these two get cancelled. 10x is equals to 900. Then for both sides, to find out the value for x, we need to divide this by 10. So these two will cut off. Then left hand side, that is x. X is equals to 900 divided by 10. That is 90.
90.
Okay, that's how we find out that value. Okay,
Okay, Miss.
a little bit hard, that's fine. I'll give you a set of worksheet to do extra work on these statement questions. Shall we do
Okay.
the 8 star as well? These ones?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. If you completed with this one, you just start with the first question. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 222. Find the numbers. Now think about the even numbers. Even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8 likewise. So how we can take the consecutive even numbers? Consecutive means those 3 even numbers should be ekalanga. It's like 2, 4, 6 and 4, 6, 8. So you should think about that
Miss,
one. Yeah.
is it 74?
Wait. X is 24 කියලානේ කියන්නේ. Okay, wait. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers 222. Find the numbers. So Okay, so the first number, if we take it as x, what is the next even number?
3?
No.
No.
No, it should be then මෙහෙමනේ. So here, if our three consecutive even numbers are 2, 4, and 6, so this 4, this 4 means actually 2 plus 2, right? This 6
Yeah, miss.
means actually 4 plus 2, no? If we take this x, if we consider this 2 as x, 4 means x plus 2. And 6 means x plus 4. Is it clear? Because we need to build an expression. No, we don't know what is the exact value there. So because of that, we have to take one value as x. Okay, one value as x, one even number as x. Here now the next even number would be x plus 2. So the third consecutive even number should be x plus 4. Is it clear? So then
Yes,
the
miss.
three consecutive even numbers are x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. It's like this. This one, if x is 2, then here we have 2 plus 2, that is 4. Here we have 2 plus 4, that is 6. 2, 4, 6. Three consecutive even numbers. So this can be applied for any even number. Now what they are saying, the addition of all these three consecutive even numbers should equals to what? 222. So what will happen here? X plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4. All the addition of all these numbers should equals to what? 222.
222.
Okay, now if you can you simplify this one? Did you got this expression and simplified?
No.
No, right now. Now try to do it. It's clear? Is it clear for you? If you have any questions,
Yes, miss.
don't don't neglect them, and also don't go without asking. හොඳේ ඕනම එකක් you can ask from me. Okay, now try to find out the value for x. Yes, what happened? Did you find out the value for x? It's easy. We have 3x. So 3x plus 2 plus 4, that is 6, is equals to 222. So to remove this 6, we need to subtract that 6. 3x plus 6 minus 6 is equals to 222 minus 6. That means 3x is equals to Now what will happen? 116. Then to remove this 3, we need to divide it by 3.
Miss,
Yeah?
it is 72.
Let me check. No, it's not 72. Because what will happen here? I got it as yes. I have made a mistake. Yes. This one is not 116. That should be 216. So then x is equals to 72. Yes, correct. See, very good.
Okay.
Okay. Can you do the second one as well? Second one and the third one.
Okay, Miss. Miss. Miss.
Yes, whatever.
Miss, is it uh,
Second question, right?
-10?
Let me check. You do the third one, I will do the second one.
Okay, miss.
John and Amelia have a baby daughter, Sonia. John is 23 kg. John is okay. John and Amelia have a baby daughter. John and Amelia. John and Amelia have a baby daughter. Sonia have a baby daughter, Sonia. Okay, and then John is 23 kg heavier than Amelia. Okay, who is 4 times as heavier as Sonia. If we consider the Sonia's weight as X, then Joan is 23 kg heavier than Amelia, who is 4 times as heavier than Sonia. Amelia 4 times heavier than 4x. Then Joan is 4x plus 23. So Joan's weight is 23 kilogram greater than Amelia, and this Sonia's weight, 4 times Sonia's weight is equals to Amelia's weight. Now what will happen? Their combined weight is 122. Combined weight means we have to get the total weight of these ones. 4x plus 23 plus 4x plus x is equals to 122. Then if we simplify this further, here we have 4x, 8x. 8x plus x, we have 9x. 9x plus 23 is equals to 122. එහෙනම් 9x is equals to 122 minus 23. That is, here we have 99. Then 9x is equals to 99. So if we divide both sides by 9, then x is equals to 11. We have x is equals to 11. So how heavier is each person? Then Sonia is 11. Amelia is 44. Then John is 44 plus 23 means 67. That's how I got the value. Where you made the mistake?
In the
Building when you create this expression also you made, right? You made a mistake
yeah.
because Sonia's weight is X as they have given here. See, Joan is 23 kilogram heavier than Amelia, who is 4 times as heavy as Sonia. So John is 23 heavier than Amelia, who is 4 times as heavier as Sonia. Yeah, I thought that if Sonia's weight is X, then the Amelia's weight would be 4X. And then the John weight is greater than Amelia. Again, 23 kilograms heavier than Amelia. 4X plus 23. Is it clear? That's how I did it.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Mm.
That's how I did it. Now do the third one. Okay, if you are clear with that one and completed, then you can move to the third question. You are doing the third question, right?
Yeah, miss.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
can you explain this?
Okay. The second one, is it clear for you? No.
Okay, no, yeah, no.
You should have asked it. Okay. Now, what they
It
are
is
saying.
like every time coming like 2, like 7, like it is coming.
Okay. So now for the second question, if I explain you again, who are the people here? We have one person is John. The other person is Amelia. Then the third person is Sonia. Now, John and Amelia have a baby daughter. Sonia, the baby daughter's name is Sonia. Now, John is 23 kilogram heavier than Amelia. Now, what will happen? If Amelia's weight is, let's assume 1 kg here. Ehenang, how about the Jones weight? What about the Jones weight? How much is?
Mm,
So here it says John is 23 kilogram heavier than Amelia. That means if Amelia's weight is 1 kg,
24.
yes, yes. Here this one's weight is, John's weight is 24 kilograms. Now what they are saying, so John is 23 kg heavier than Amelia, who is 4 times as heavy as Sonia. Who is 4 times as heavier as Sonia means this Amelia is 4 times heavier than Sonia. So that means if Sonia's weight is 1 kg, what about the Amelia's weight? Now we have
5 kg.
right, 4 kg, right? Because
Yeah.
4 times means we have to multiply it like this. Now these are with example numbers. So the who is the heaviest person? That is John. Is it clear? John is the heaviest person, and the Sonia is the little daughter who is the lightweight person. Okay. Then if we consider the Sonia's weight as X, now tell me, if we consider the Sonia's weight as X, what about the Amelia's weight? How much is? So if So, right, very good, 4x. Now, if Amelia's weight is 4x, what about the John's weight? Because John is 23 kilograms heavier than Amelia. Then
23
plus
plus
4x.
4x.
Yes, this 4x plus 23 because this John is 23 kilogram heavier than Amelia. Then if Sonia's weight is x, then Amelia's weight is 4x. Then John's weight is 4x plus 23. Is it clear? Now,
Yes, miss.
if we build these three expressions, then the next line they have given that their combined weight is 122. Combined weight means we need to add all these weights. So what will happen here? 4x plus 23 plus 4x plus x is equals to 123. Now can you find the value for x? Now can you find the value for x?
Okay.
Yeah.
Miss,
Yes.
it is x equals 11.
Yes, X is equal to 11. That means Sonia's weight is Sonia's weight is 11. Sonia's weight is 11 kg. Then what about the Amelia's weight? Because they are asking us to find out the find out the weight for each person. එතකොට Amelia's weight is
11 times
11
4
times 4, that is
4.
44
40,
kilograms. And what about the Jones weight?
44 plus 23.
44, yes, very good. 44 plus 23, that is altogether 67.
67.
Yes. Okay, give me 1 minute. I'm getting a call. Hello, yes, go ahead.
Oh,
Hello. Yeah. Yes. අපි කරේ 3යිනේ 3යි. That means only 12,000. හරි. Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you. So here, what will happen? 60 7. Yeah. 44 plus 23, that is 67. Okay, that is done. Now, can you try the third one? Is it clear now? I mean, just give a try.
Yes, miss.
Just give a try. නෑ කතා කරන්නේ ඡන්දෙට කලින්.
Miss,
Yes.
I still don't get it. It is
Still you don't.
coming 11,
Okay.
12, 14 like that.
Okay, wait. Let let me check. So here now a father is three times as old as his son. So there you have father and son also there. Okay. Now what will happen? A father is three times as old as his son. So if son is okay, if son is 1 year, okay, what about the father's age?
3 years.
Yes, three. No, if he is one, then father's age would be 3. Now a father is 3 times as old as his time. In 14 years' time, he will be twice as old as his son. Now tell me, if son's age is X, father's age is 3X. Correct. In 14 years, what will happen for these two? So now this is now. In 14 years, son's age is X plus 14. Harida. And father's age is 3X plus 14. Is it clear? So now tell me, now how old are you? How old are you now?
I am 30.
Okay, you are 13, right. After 5 years, how old are you? What is your age? After 5 years,
18.
18. Very good. That means 13 plus 5. Likewise, if the age of son is now X, after 14 years, his age would be X plus 14. Then the father's current age is 3X. Then his age would be 3X plus 14. Is it clear?
Yeah, miss.
Now what they are saying, a father is 3 times as old as his son. In 14 years time, he will be twice as old as his son. Hina? So son's age is X plus 14. This one times 2 is equals to father's age, 3X plus 14. See, twice of this age son is equals to his father's age. Is it clear?
Yeah, miss.
Now you can calculate X. X is the age of son, I mean the current age. Now, So what is the value for x? Why is it too hard? So here you just need to remove the brackets for the right side.
Yeah.
So the left side it would be anyway 3x plus 14 is equals to, for the right side we have 2x
2x
plus
plus 20.
28. Yes. Then this 2x we can remove it from right side. එතකොට we need to subtract this 2x. That means from left side also we need to subtract 2x. Okay. Then we need
Yeah.
to
I got
subtract this 14 from that side. එහෙනම් we need to subtract that 14 from right side as well. එතකොට we receive left side as x and for the right side we received again 14.
Miss, I received that. I
Huh?
thought it is wrong.
14.
Yeah.
Okay.
I received that, Miss.
You received. ඒකනේ.
I thought it is wrong, Miss.
අයියෝ. So x is එහෙනම් then x is equals to 14. So that means
In the
that
first time also I received 14.
අයියෝ, see. Then the son's age now, sons is 14 years old. Now
14.
in the question they have asked, what
So it is 14 times 3 father's
Yes,
age.
yes, 14 times 3, the father's age is, that is 42.
Yeah.
Because 14 times 3, no, 14 times 3, that is 42. 42 is the current age of his father. Father's current age. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shall we do the fourth one? Shall we do these three as well? These three are, we did these three, right? That day? No, 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 we didn't. These ones are a little bit bigger. Shall we do these ones also now?
Okay.
Okay. Do the fourth one. Yes?
Miss,
Yes.
Miss,
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah, I'm here.
is it 50?
Let me check. You do the fifth one. I'll do the fourth one. Lakshmi is trying to throw
Yeah.
basketballs through hoops at a fair. If a ball goes through hoop, she received 50. But if it's if but if it does not, she has to pay 20 pennies for the shot. After 15 shots, Lakshmi find he has made a profit. Okay, this one. එහෙනම් correct. So how many times did Lakshmi successfully successful count successful throws will consider as X, then unsuccessful ones we can consider it as what? 15 minus X. 15 minus X because the total number of shots are 15. Now, so for a successful one, he will receive 50 pennies, then 50 times X. For unsuccessful one, it should be 20 pennies. 20 times 15 minus X. This one should equals to what we call 1.20. If I convert those ones into pennies, that means 120. So then 50x minus 300 plus 20x is equals to 120. That means we have 70x. This 300 we can add it to the other side. It's a 420. Then to get the value of x, we need to divide both sides by 70. That means x is equals to what? 6. Is it the answer you received? I got x is equals to 6. I got x is equals to 6.
Miss,
X
can you hear me?
yeah, now I can
Miss,
see. Yeah.
I got the 20 to the front.
Ah,
20x. Not Miss got 50x.
yeah, because for the successful pennies, it is 15.
Yeah.
And also, since they have asked us to calculate how many times did Lakshmi successfully throw, it's better for the successful throws. Again, they are asking the value x. We, yeah, we can keep x as the number of successful throws. Then the unsuccessful throws are count of unsuccessful throws is 15 minus x. එතකොට 50 times x. This is for the successful one. This part is for the unsuccessful one. 20 times 15 minus x. This is earnings. This is the losers.
Yes.
Got a 50x minus 300 plus 20x is equals to 120. Okay, that's fine. You do the fifth one as well. Mark it correct. I mean, if you did it wrong, just do this one and then do the fifth one.
Miss,
Yes.
is it 15?
Okay. You do the sixth one. I'll do the fifth one. Yeah. Yeah, you do the sixth one, I'll do the fifth one. I'm ready. Aiden is doing a multiple choice test with 20 questions. So total number of questions are 20 questions. He scores 3 marks for correct answer. Correct answer for correct one. That is 3 marks and loses 1 mark for incorrect. Incorrect. If it's incorrect, then we have, if it's incorrect, we have only 1 mark. 1 mark will be reduced. Aiden answers all the questions and okay, so here he scores 3 marks for a correct answer and loses 1 mark if the answer is incorrect. Aiden answers all the questions and scores 40 marks. Total score would be total score is 40. Okay. Now they are asking us to calculate Aiden answers all the questions and how many answers he has answered correctly. So if the correct ones are X, sorry, if the correct ones are X, incorrect ones will be 20 minus X. 20 minus X. So if we write an expression for the total score, that is 3x minus 1 times 20 minus x is equals to the total score is 40. Now 3x minus 20 plus x is equals to 40. That means here 3x plus x, that is 4x. 4x is equals to 40 plus 20, that is 60. So then 4x is equals to 60 means if we divide both sides by 4, then x
15.
is yeah, you got 15, right?
Yeah, miss.
Ah, very good. Now the last one, sixth one. See, now you can do those ones. Very good.
Okay. Miss,
Yeah, yes.
can you do the last one, Miss?
Okay, sure. Why is it hard?
Yeah.
So, Freddy the frog. Okay, Freddy the frog is climbing up a well. Hare, Freddy the frog is climbing up a well. Every day he climbs up 3 meters. But some nights he falls asleep up. But for some nights he falls asleep and slips back 4 meters. Alright. තුනක් උඩට නගිනවා and again සමහරක් දවස්වලට for some days he is again slipped and he will fall down from 4 meters. At the start of the 16th day, he has climbed a total of 29 meters. On So he has climbed a total of 29 meters. On how many nights was he asleep? Okay, Freddy the frog is climbing up a well. Every day he climbs up. Okay, so if I draw a well, okay, I just draw it like this. Now what will happen? So a frog, every day he climbs up 3 meters. Every day he climbs up 3 meters, but for some days he falls asleep and slips back 4 meters. But at the 4 meters, he will be going down again. At the start of the 16th day, he has climbed a total of 29. From here to here, if we have like total 16 days, the total meters the frog has already climbed it up, that is 29 meters. Now, on how many nights was he fell asleep? So, for the slept night, okay. So, if we consider the number of slept days as x, okay. Now, what about the non-slept days? Non-sleep days, that is 16 minus x, right?
Yeah.
That is clear. Now what will happen? 16 minus x dates, non-sleep now. That means the total. Now if we like, if we write an expression for 29, how we can write it? Non-sleep now, 3 times 16 minus x minus 4 times x is equals to 29. Why? So 16 minus x number of days he hasn't slept. It's 3 times 16 minus x would be the total number of climbed up meters. But x number of days he has already slept. It's 4 times tamai. Again he will be dropping down. I mean slippering down. That amount would be 4x. Here to calculate the total, I mean the actual height that frog has already climbed at, that is we need to get the what? We need to get the subtraction or the difference. So now you can simplify this one. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Okay. What is the answer for x? Yes, what is the Yes, what is the answer? What is the answer for x?
Wait, miss.
Wait, okay.
You're figuring it out the last one.
Okay, okay.
Miss, is it 7 equals 19? 7
That
x equals 9.
is 3 times 16, that is 48. 48 minus 7x is equals to 29. Then 7x is equals to, you will get 19. 7x is equals to 19 you receive.
Yeah.
Yes, right? So here 3 times it, yeah, 48 minus 3x minus 4x is equals to 29. 48 minus 29 is equals to 7x. Then here we have 19 is equals to 7x. X is equals to 19 over 7. But I don't know why. Okay. Then that means how many days he has slept. So we can't keep decimals and fractions now. So
Yeah.
how many days that he has slept? It would be actually so
19.
yeah, if we divide
Uh,
this 19 by 7, that is 2 point something.
7. Yeah.
2 point something means
Mm,
slept around 3 days.
I calculated that also, miss. I came
Yeah, yeah,
2.7
yes.
one
Yeah, yeah,
four two
yeah,
eight
yeah.
5 7 1 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
It
then
came
what
like
will
that when I divide.
yeah, yeah. Then what will happen? We can't keep decimals as for the answers, no. So then what we
Yeah.
have to do? It will be like 3 days. We should round off. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Then yeah, since we have already completed this entire exercise, we'll stop for today. And we'll try to do like in school. Have you completed the unit one?
Uh,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. If we
Better.
have time,
Yeah. Yeah.
we'll like catch up school. I mean, if we can
Miss,
do like,
we can do tomorrow.
uh,
We can do tomorrow.
yeah, ekadamai. Are you available tomorrow morning?
Morning.
Morning or evening also fine.
Evening available.
Evening we'll do at the same time. Etagote we can cover up the school work as well, no? Etagote we are on track.
Yeah.
Enam we'll do the school works. These exercises are little bit hard, ne? That's why it will take some time. That's fine. We'll do tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then see you. Thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye, man.
Take care. Okay. Bye.